The state of Tennessee passed a budget last night. It sets aside money to combat the effects of the coronavirus outbreak, adding $350 million to the state's emergency fund. Now, that state wants to help unfurnished Tennesseans who get sick. And today, we heard personal stories of how the virus is impacting people in power. News 4's Nancy Amons with our story.
We don't know what lies ahead, but we do know that we have a responsibility to prepare for what lies ahead.
Governor Bill Lee thanking lawmakers for passing his amended budget. It includes $150 million for an emergency health and safety response fund. But what about people with no insurance who get sick? Governor Lee will ask the federal government if they can use Medicaid expansion money to treat virus patients. Democrats say it's a good start.
We will encourage him doing so, and I think we will inevitably need to draw down every Medicaid resource we can.
No specifics yet on plans to reopen 13 hospitals in the state that have closed in recent years. And today we heard personal stories about the virus affecting Tennessee's leaders.
And my son's 8 years old, and it breaks my heart that he prays every night that he'll be protected from the coronavirus. Words that he never should have even known existed.
Pray, the governor says, but he had strong words for churches holding services in spite of the CDC's warnings.
Churches that continue to meet and gather with elderly and putting groups of people in the same setting, quite frankly, they're risking people's lives.
Lee was asked about mandating the closures of business and social gatherings, but said the state needs to keep businesses open as long as they operate safely. Mentioning his own daughter lost her job when a restaurant closed. She has resources, but two co-workers don't.
A married couple who have 4 children, and the day that restaurant closed, they both lost their jobs.
The governor now easing rules that will make it easier and faster to apply for unemployment benefits. The legislature passed a budget last night. Many lawmakers saying today it's not the one they wanted, but they had to deal with the matters at hand. Nancy Amons, News 4.